soft and delicious as it looks. Simple vanilla cupcakes recipe. Welcome to Jest World YouTube channel, where we talk about food, finance, travel and community service. In today's vlogmas, we're going to do a recipe on cupcakes. As you can see, we have silicone cupcakes, of course, from Jest World collection. So the first step is to set up the cupcakes mold like we have done. Then you set the oven for preheat at 180 degrees. So now we start on our recipe. So we're going to do a very simple vanilla cupcake. So this is 150 grams is the ideal quantity for this recipe. However, I like my cakes less sweeter, so for me, instead of 150, I've used 100, sorry, but this is 150 ml. So you mix the two. Then we're going to add 3 eggs, one at a time. Then every time we add an egg, we mix. So we mix the first egg. So we mix the second one. And finally, the third one. On our next bowl, we have already sieved the flour together with the baking powder, as you can see. Kindly ensure you sieve your flour for any impurities. So we add the flour gradually to the mixture to avoid messing. Of course, to clear the sides, we are going to use this spoon from Jest World collection. As always, remember we are still open to take your orders. DM us on our Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and we will deliver. Our stock is available on our Instagram page on the highlights section. Kindly visit us there. As you can see, it really clears very well. It's a silicone spoon. Someone said they want the plastic spoons.